Welcome to my channel, MIK Islam Hub. Today we bring you a historic speech by the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, at the United Nations General Assembly. This speech is a must-watch for anyone interested in global politics and international relations. Based on Imran Khan's speech at the 74th United Nations General Assembly in 2019, here are four main points. 1. Kashmir Issue. Imran Khan highlighted the Kashmir dispute between Pakistan and India, emphasizing the human rights violations and atrocities committed by Indian forces in Kashmir. He demanded the international community's attention to this issue and called for a peaceful resolution. 2. Climate change. Khan stressed the urgent need for global action against climate change, citing Pakistan's vulnerability to its impacts, such as melting glaciers and extreme weather events. He announced Pakistan's initiatives to address climate change, including planting 10 billion trees. 3. Islamophobia and Muslim Rights. Imran Khan condemned rising Islamophobia and discrimination against Muslims worldwide, citing examples like the Chinese treatment of Uighur Muslims and India's citizenship laws targeting Muslims. He called for international efforts to protect Muslim rights and promote interfaith harmony. Economic inequality and corruption. Khan criticized the global economic system for perpetuating inequality and corruption, highlighting how rich countries and elites exploit poor nations and resources. He advocated for a more equitable global economic order and emphasized Pakistan's efforts to combat corruption. These points summarize the key themes and messages in Imran Khan's UN speech.